In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Emo. If you want to keep your chat history safe, creating a backup is a smart thing to do. It can help protect your messages in case you change devices, reinstall the app, or need to restore your conversations later. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening the Emo app on your device. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom area of the screen and tap Me. This is where you'll find your personal account options and app preferences. After that, tap Settings. The Settings section is where Emo keeps the controls for your account, notifications, privacy, and chat-related options. Since we're focusing on protecting your conversations, the next thing you need to do is tap Chats. Inside the Chats menu, find and tap Chat Backup. This is the section that allows you to save your chat data so it can be restored later if needed. If this is your first time using this feature, take a moment to make sure you're signed in properly and ready to continue. Next, select your Google account. This is the account Emo will use to store the backup. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you use more than one on your device. Picking the right account now will make it much easier to locate and restore your backup in the future. Once your Google account is selected, tap Backup. At this point, Emo will begin saving your chat data. Depending on how many conversations you have and how strong your internet connection is, this may take a little time. For the smoothest experience, it's a good idea to stay connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and keep the app open while the backup is in progress. Now, simply wait for the backup to finish. Try not to close the app or interrupt the process while it's running. Once the backup is complete, your chat history will be safely stored and available if you ever need to restore it later. And that's it. That's how to back up Emo. It only takes a few moments, but it can save you a lot of trouble down the road by making sure your important conversations are protected.